Hi, we're in Hudson Highlands State Park Reserve.
Okay, and which trail are we doing?
Doing the
Bull Hill Loop.
Bull Hill Loop.
So this is the trail. We parked our car on 9D in the town of Cold Spring. We go up the Washburn Trail, keep going up, turn left on the Blue Trail, and then come back down the White Trail, which I think is the Undercliff Trail. So it's about 6-ish miles. Do you want to join them? Oh! This is the Hudson Highlands State Park and we are doing the Bull Hill Loop. What is this? I think this is to protect the hay. And there's some kind of quarry over here. See this?
Oh, what?
A quarry.
What's a quarry?
Stone quarry. You can already see the Hudson River. Those are the train tracks for the Metro North. You can actually get up here by taking the Metro North from Grand Central and getting off at Cold Spring. That's the town of Cold Spring there, about a mile away from here. Getting your morning workout. Made it to the second viewpoint. That's Cold Spring, town of Cold Spring, Hudson River. Hill over there is the West Point Academy. Not bad, right? Within half an hour you have so many viewpoints. Last little scramble to the summit of Bull Hill. That wasn't so bad. Almost at the summit of Bull Hill. Wasn't so difficult, right?
Oh, it was steep, but it wasn't difficult. It was actually nice. First hike of 2023.
Yeah. Best hike of 2023.
Best is yet to come.
Let's do NYC spotting. Oh yeah, you can see it. See there.
Oh,
In that haze over there. Yeah.
The skyscrapers, yep.
You can see the entire skyline, right?
And even the bridge.
The Bear Mountain Bridge that we crossed over. We made it to the summit of Bull Hill.
Wait, we did?
We did.
Where's the end?
And now it's just flat. There is no actual summit.
Oh, okay.
There's no
It's just a loop.
There's no one particular view from the summit. Now we will go down. Now it's going to be really flat for a while. So enjoy the flatness. I don't think we have seen such a flat section for so long, right?
Yes.
The last 1 month has been incredibly flat and easy.
Yeah. And
I mean,
I
the
think
trail is also not very rocky.
it's like a walk right now, not a hike. But it's okay because we climbed some steep
Walk in the woods. There are definitely remains of human settlement here. May not be that long, obviously,
Yeah.
but it seems like people lived in this
Yeah. And they
forest.
collected water maybe here.
Yeah. So we were right. There was a small little settlement over here, the Northgate project. Unfortunately, it got destroyed in a fire in 1958. So this is what it would have looked like when it was constructed. and behind that you can see the Storm King Mountain. But this is how it was looking, right? I mean, there was a Japanese garden, residence, sunken garden, gazebo. There were stables for horses, greenhouse, interesting, barn, livestock building, chauffeur's garage, interesting. So there was some kind of vehicles for these people. Dam, I wonder this is the dam that we saw, like the well. But this is how it looks now. After the fire, this is what remains of the Northgate project. Just a bunch of ruins and graffiti. Oh, so the Cornish and Stern families used to live here, right? The Northgate Estate. So all of this area that we saw on the map, this is, I guess, the main place of residence. I think the one that got burned down was some kind of quarters. And then you can see that gazebo on that small hill over there. So this is what it looked like. Northgate is still under construction, but almost complete in this photograph.
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah, so this is what remains now of the Northgate Estate. Yeah, I think this might be the chimney. I don't know. It looks like a chimney structure for chimney, and that looks like a fireplace. So I think this was the living room, and this thing is obviously destroyed, right? I think the living room was at this level.
Yeah.
So that's a fireplace. It looks pretty nice. Sitting in the Northgate Estate, I'm just absorbing all the history over here. The 100-year-old history of this place. So now you know how rich people of New York used to live 100 years back.
Yeah, very super rich.
Super rich, 650 acres of land just for themselves, with views of the Storm King Mountain in the distance, Breakneck Ridge, Hudson River. What's not to love about this place? And we are done. We are done. Yeah, so we went up here, we came back here, and then instead of taking this yellow trail here, I think we just came back down from the red. So we kind of cut out this elevation gain near the yellow. So that was the Bull Hill full loop. If you like this video, then give it a like, comment, let us know what did you think about this trail, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, it's bye.